Hey YouTube, I'm going to do another quick video on this cheap safe off Amazon. I'll throw the info up on the screen here because I don't know how to say the brand of it, but you know, take notice it's got almost 20,000 reviews. So a lot of these are out in the world, and I'm going to link a video here opening this safe with a magnet. And then on this video, we're going to actually open it with a tubular lockpick. Now the only thing is you just can't have the indexing post in the center of your pick. So as long as you have a 7.5 millimeter pick without that post, you probably can get one of these open. So I'll just show you that the key works here. And lock back up. And we're going to use our tubular pick. And since it doesn't have a little indexing post on the tubular pick here, you just got to pay attention to where the pins are and get the tool lined up over them. And a couple of little wiggles. And we've got it open. So I'm going to just turn it back. And then what I'm going to do, coolest thing about these picks is I'm going to lock it down. And now that it's locked down, I've actually got now a key. So now this will actually open this up, you know, over and over and over, and lock it back, just like it was a key. So not a safe that I would recommend buying. And I'll just show you one more time since we got it set up now, exactly like the key. Once you get it on the pins, open it right up. So really, I guess quick video. Don't have much more to say about it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.